All documents related to transport orders that you process via Saloodo are automatically saved in your dashboard. To view the documents, click on My Shipments. As you can see here, the documents are always assigned to the respective order. In addition, there are various filter options that ensure you always have a complete overview, no matter how many order documents are stored here. After you have clicked on My Shipments, you will first see the transports with the status Active Orders. These are the transports that have not yet been completed. You can also call up documents on transports with a different status. Under New Orders, you see all orders for which you have been booked but which have not yet started. Orders that are still in clarification are orders for which some reported changes have been made, for example, a different number of freight items, a changed load weight, etc. Under Archived Orders, you will find all transports that have already been completed. Incomplete orders are transports where a problem occurred and the transport was cancelled.